Atom X occupies the FCC lattice sites as well as alternate tetrahedraloids of the same lattice. The packing efficiency in percentage of the resultant solid is closest to option 1 25, option 2 35, option 3 55, option 4 75. Let me first draw an FCC lattice. This is the body diagonal which connect the opposite sides of the cube. Body diagonal is root 3a, where a is the edge length of the cube. And this circle represents the X atom at the corner. And this is the X atom lies in the tetrahedral. The tetrahedral is at a 1/4 distance from the corner of the body diagonal. This is the X atom that lies in the face center. This distance is 2r, that is 2 radii. Number of X atoms at the corners is 1/8 into 8, that is equal to 1. So a corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. So therefore this unit cell gets only 1/8 of the corner atom. There are 8 corners, therefore 1/8 into 8 is equal to 1. Number of X atom at face centers, that is equal to 3. An atom at the face center is shared by 2 unit cell. So this unit cell gets only half of it. There are 6 faces, therefore half into 6 is equal to 3. The total number of tetrahedraloids in FCC lattice is 8. That is twice the effective number of atoms in an FCC lattice. And these tetrahedraloids lie on the body diagonal, that is 2 on each body diagonal. Number of X atom in the tetrahedraloids, here it is 4 because only alternate tetrahedraloids are occupied by X atoms. Therefore, the effective number of X atoms in the lattice is 8. 4 in the tetrahedraloids and 3 plus 1, that is 4, total 8. 1/4 distance of body diagonal, that is 2r, and that is equal to root 3a by 4. Therefore, the edge length of the cube is 8r by root 3. Now we can calculate the packing efficiency. It is the ratio between the volume occupied by X atoms and total volume of the cube. Volume of 8 X atoms will be 8 into 4/3 pi r cube, where 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of 1 X atom. Now the volume of the cube is a cube, that is 8r by root 3 the whole cube. Packing efficiency is equal to 8 into 4/3 pi r cube divided by 8r into root 3 the whole cube into 100. And that is approximately 35. So the correct option will be option 2.